Hey, what's up guys? We're gonna do a really awesome cooking with Brenden video. It's dirty water dogs, a little twist though, because I want to do the traditional dirty water dogs with my boy Brenden Bigelow. He's the one that brought me onto this, told me to try this. So we're gonna do the Asian twist this time, but we'll get him on a real video. And we got some hot dogs, we got garlic powder, mayonnaise, sesame oil, soy sauce, and some sriracha. We're gonna make some special sauce to be put on the hot dog. We're gonna get it, the dirty water started, and just stay with me guys, and it's gonna be a lit time, and it's an easy meal. So we're gonna have a drink in between. So shout out homies, let's have a good time. And guys, we will also wanna do 1 tablespoon of white vinegar.
I must have heard hundreds of you rodents make the same claim.
Alright guys, you see the dirty water combo we got. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring it to a light boil, and then we're gonna bring it to a low to medium heat to simmer. So we're just gonna turn this bad boy on right up here to medium heat. And we're gonna see it boil, and once it boils, and then we're gonna bring it to a simmer and throw them hot dogs in. So stay with us. All right, guys, while we got that water heating up, we're gonna go make that special Asian sauce with that sriracha and that mayo, and that's gonna be a great topping for the hot dogs once they're done. So watch as I make the special sauce. Alrighty guys, we got it in the dirty water now. Now we're just gonna let it soak in for 8 minutes and we'll see how it comes out.
Goddamn squiddy.
All right, guys. So, as I say, I'm always honest. I'm always a beginner. I feel like we should have had these boiling and being a lot hotter. They don't seem done after 5 to 8 minutes. We're gonna get it a little hotter and cook them in more. And then my bro, Ricky over here was telling me that I just needed to, just cook them more, because otherwise, guys, I don't think it would be ready yet. So we adapt, we evolve, we learn. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. We are at it. This is a little update. Look how good these hot dogs are looking. I think they're just about done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just serve these bad boys up. And I've had a few shots, but guess what? That's the great part about cooking up these dirty water dogs. It's easy, it's simple, and they're still gonna come out great because hot dogs are already cooked. You could technically eat these raw out of the package, but we flavored them and they're gonna taste amazing. And guess what? We got a little garnishment with the green onions. We're going next level on these hot dogs. So stay tuned, guys, because I'll show you the finished product. Just so you guys know, before I eat my hot dog, I did put a little bit of that special sauce we made. And that special sauce, it's really sriracha and some fucking mayonnaise, but it comes out popping off. And then I would just recommend putting that on the bun too, because it's gonna come out fire, trust me. Look at that, guys. We got the freaking sauce that I just made with the sriracha and mayonnaise. We got the hot dog cooked in that dirty water. They say dirty water, but that's delicious water made of some Asian seasonings. We got that white vinegar, that soy sauce. And then, oh, I just forgot. We're gonna put some green onion garnishment on there too. We going fancy on this bad boy, just wait. Guys, in my learning, I've realized that garnishments are very important. This already shows sophistication in your cooking ability. I chopped up some green onion, and guess what, guys? It's not like we had to cook it up or anything, but we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of it on top, because that's our garnishment. So when you bring a date over and you say, hey, I prepared a couple garnishments for the meal, get ready to impress, because it's going to be fire. What's up, guys? You just saw how we made this freaking amazing hot dog that we got right here in front of us. We got the garnishment, we got the freaking special sauce. We got it cooked in the hot, dirty water. So we're going to try this out. This is an Asian twist on the dirty water dog. Because you know I'm going to get my boy Brenden. We're going to do a traditional dirty water dog. And we're going to get it really perfected. But we're going to try this out right now. Because it's going to be fire. Oh my God. Guys. That is so freaking tasty. Super easy. You could take a couple drinks while you're making it. I put a little Asian zing to it with that white vinegar and that soy sauce in the mix. But there's so many ways you could probably make a great hot dog. Hot dogs are already easy to make. You know, they're already pre-cooked and everything like that. But when you put your little spice to it, your own little flavor, this is easily, I'll say a 7.6. Because it's, you know, you can only make something so great. And a hot dog is not the toppest quality. But if we're going to make a good hot dog, this is it. And this is a 7.6 out of 10, guys. Dirty water dogs, New York City style. But we do a little Asian twist on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's been an honor. This is such a freaking good hot dog. For real. Honestly, guys, I got such good respect. Such great respect for my brother. So he's just presenting. He's making himself a freaking hot dog, but he's a freaking amazing cook in his own right. So whatever his flavors and criticisms are, I take them very well to heart, and then we're gonna see what he says.
This is gonna be hot. This is gonna be hot as fuck.
Cause we're gonna see.
All right, tune in to find out.
We're gonna see, brother.
Smells good. Smells wonderful.
But just like you said, just like pizza rolls, you can't mess up a hot dog.
Okay, get in
so
there.
Hopefully.
Get in there. Get
Oh
in
yeah.
there nice and-
Yeah.
All right, ready? That's the part they love. Yeah, that's some good fucking sausage right there. That's good.
That's good? Hey, you know what? You can't mess it up though. But still, guys, it's an easy meal, dude. It's fun. It tastes good. So just try it, guys. Dirty water hot dogs with the Asian zing to it.
I dipped it in the dirty water. Let's find that out behind the scenes.
It's hot. It's hot. It is hot. I hear you. Pretty good? Hey, that dirty water is pretty good? And they say dirty water, but it's actually, you know, it's a lot of ingredients in there. That's just how New Yorkers are, you know? They're kind of blunt with how they say things. Okay, so you're saying pour the fucking hot dog in the New York,
I like it on my bun.
Okay.
What can I say? I like it on my bun. All right, good shit.
Hey, thanks, brother. There we go, guys. That is the review. Please check it out and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
If you like that clip, feel free to click on this clip or even this clip. And then, hey, don't forget about that clip over here. Thanks, guys.